To investigate the effects of building orientation, we will start by looking at a single unit classroom. This classroom has most of its windows on one side, while the other side is being used for teaching tools such as whiteboards or chalkboards. To export our building data, we will create a GBXML file. Select Export and choose the GBXML option. This will present us with a dialog that shows the rooms that we have created, along with initial parameters such as building type and location, which can be changed later. After clicking Next, we can name and save our GBXML file. In Ecotect, import the file that we have just created. Ecotect recognizes the materials and elements and assigns them a model element category. Once the file has been imported, we can select different elements and see their properties. In Ecotect, select Run the Weather tool to open the Weather dialog. We can choose a project location by searching data or by choosing a weather file in the Explorer. Next, in the Solar Position tab, select Best Orientation. Based on the location and weather data, Ecotect automatically selects the hottest and coldest 3 months of the year. Ecotect will now automatically find an optimum orientation, in this case 155 degrees from north. In GBS, before importing the GBXML file, let's create a new project. Name the project, select a type, and then choose a schedule. Next, we will set the location of our project to Detroit, Michigan. Now we can choose an appropriate weather station to obtain data from. The default location chosen for us will be fine. Finally, review the project details. And next, accept the terms of use to create a new project. Our new project is now available. With our new project available, we can now import our GBXML file and run the GBS analysis. Once we run GBS, we are given results of our base model. including total annual costs. In the Design Alternatives tab, we can edit our base run by rotating the structure. Let's create run alternatives by rotating the building 360 degrees by 15-degree increments. Enter the alternative's name, select a new rotation angle, and click Add Alternative. Once all the run alternatives have been created, we can select Run the added alternatives to create a separate analysis of each of the building orientations. When done, we will get an annual energy cost of each building. We can select project runs to get a more detailed summary of our results. Now we can review the results and find the building orientation that results in the lowest annual cost. After scanning the data, this optimum orientation is 180 degrees.